In today's video, I am going to show you how to connect your Wix domain to Hostinger. If you already have a domain purchased through Wix, but you want to use Hostinger for hosting, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, make sure your Wix account is on a premium plan. Connecting a custom domain is only available to premium users, so upgrade your plan if you haven't already. Next, go to your Wix dashboard and open your domain settings. Select the domain you want to connect, then choose the option to connect to an external host using nameservers. Now switch over to your Hostinger account. Go to the DNS domain management section to find Hostinger's nameservers. You'll normally see two nameservers, copy both of them. Go back to Wix and replace the existing nameservers with the Hostinger nameservers you just copied. Save your changes to confirm. This step tells the internet to point your Wix domain to your Hostinger hosting account. Once that's done, return to Hostinger and make sure your domain is added to your hosting plan so it connects properly with your website files. After everything is set, you'll need to wait for DNS propagation. This process usually takes anywhere from a few hours up to 48 hours, so don't worry if the connection isn't instant. And that's it. Once the changes update, your Wix domain will successfully point to your Hostinger website. You now have your custom domain fully connected and ready to go. Happy building!